Hello friends, this is Karan Kaushal. So I've recently attended ONE8 Global Premiere launch. So I'm gonna show you what all happened there. So just be ready now for the 30 to 40 minutes of this short vlog from beginning to end, how we entered, what was all there, what was the event about, the people, the influencers and the party. Yes, the party when Karan Aujla and Virat met, it was the party in Delhi, the best weekend so far. So I have reached ONE8 Global Premiere in Yashobhoomi, Dwarka, and as you can see, it's a long queue. Gates were to open at 1 p.m., but people were there right from maybe 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. I was there at 12:15, around 12:15. Yes, you're hearing me right. See the crowd. See, everyone is RCB chants and Virat chants. And here people are just waiting to get in there. Lot of people, see, 5,000 founding 5,000 members who got this opportunity to be in this gala event, the biggest collaboration of India between Karan Aujla and Virat Kohli. Now I'm entering into the event. I've got my QR code scanned and see the beauty of it. Everywhere you would see ONE8 logo. Everywhere in this global premiere, people are standing, clicking pictures, videos. It was so beautiful, mesmerizing, unbelievable shots. And just see it. Wow, amazing. I mean, I was mesmerized with the beauty of it. Global premiere. Look at this shoe. So big, so beautiful. Everywhere you would see ONE8 products, and see this room, Sonic room. The symbols are shining, and it's not just the shoes. Let me tell you little later, but just check these collection. And this is an exclusive collection, just not out yet. These colors, and these sneakers, unbelievable. And now you can see they also have attires. They're gonna beat up the market, and not just gym attire but also lifestyle. So now I'm going to get into the queue to get my shoe, and I have got Pavilion. So they have like different type of products. They have launched different type of shoes with names. So I have got Seam Pavilion, off-white color, and see everyone here is sitting and trying their new shoe. And now I'm gonna do that the same thing. And this is the bag I've got with ONE8 symbol again. And yeah, let me open it. And the wait is over. So I have finally my hands on the shoe, the classic shoe, and here it is. So I'm with Soneos. पंजाबी सोने and सोने मुंडे आ गए भाजी की कहना चाहते हो तुम इवेंट बारे
ब्रो द इवेंट इज क्रेजी क्योंकि यार इतना रश बाहर हम भी सारे लाइन में लग के आए हैं और मजा आ रहा है जेन्युइनली यस फॉर श्योर फोटो
खींच ले सो गाइस वी आर बैक आई एम विद मिस्टर सोनियो एंड मिस्टर सोना मुंडा सोना मुंडा भाजी की कहना चाहते हो
भाजी मज़ा आ गया मतलब देख के लॉन्च में जितनी भीड़ बाहर सी ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਮਾਡਲ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਮਤਲਬ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਲੋਕੀ ਪਾਗਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਏ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਵੇ ਥੀਸ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਹੈਵ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਡ ਦ ਹੋਲ ਸੈਟ I think it was superb to watch and I would say it's beyond something which I would have imagined. मैं सिर्फ इंटीरियर की बात कर रहा हूँ. We are not planning. I'm not talking about the the whole season, the event which is supposed to follow.
It's not even started.
We are expecting Karan Aujla in like a few more moments, maybe a few hours. I don't know. And Virat himself.
And I think it's the biggest collaboration, like Virat.
It is an insane collaboration. You will see three insane collaborations happening right now.
Yes.
So yeah, being Virat Pagloos, you can say it is.
So two cameras are here now.
Virat walla काम है.
भाई genuinely भाई इससे बड़ी collaboration अभी तक तो नहीं देखी. Karan Aujla.
Guys, देखो cups भी customized हैं. And just check the entire venue. It's so beautiful, mesmerizing. I mean, क्या set है. पूरा movie shoot हो सकता है यहाँ पे. I mean, मजा आ गया. So guys, this is how the shoes are made.
Because it's पूरा manufacturing set ला के डिजाइन कर दिए।
इन्होंने सारे ब्रांड्स की ऐसी तैसी फेर दी है। ये देखो। I mean, मैं खुद 20 साल से जिम कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ पे जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स लगे मुझे बेटर लगे जितने भी आज तक मैंने ब्रांड्स यूज़ किए हैं। मैं तो आज के बाद ONE8 के ही प्रोडक्ट्स ख़रीदने वाला हूँ। और 12 बजे से लाइन में लग के इतना घूम के पूरा वेन्यू घूम के अब लग गई थी भूख, बट लाइन देखो। लाइन लगी बढ़िया खाने की एंड ऑल द हेल्दी स्टफ। हमें मिल गया है खाना फाइनली खाना मिल गया। आज तो नूडल्स खाएंगे। So let's start very soon.
And we have given our shoes for the customization.
Yeah, we'll show you.
They have asked us for our shoes for customizing it.
Is it madness to step into a new unknown? Is it worth it? To most, it makes no sense at all. But for the curious, it's a new direction. While others guard what they've built, the insane, the mad, the delusional risk becoming beginners all over again. They have their first lesson again, their first failure again.
So guys, everyone is very excited. I guess Virat is gonna come out. So let's see.
Do you guys want to see Virat Kohli on stage? Repeat after me, okay? Hey! Oh! ONE8! That's it, they've got their moment, don't worry, that's it. Well done, guys. The founding 5,000 man, give yourselves a big cheer. Thank you so much for believing in this and for being here. Wow!
Faster, louder, hungrier. The inheritance remains, stitched through generations, to carry the legacy of the game forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the ONE8 world! Now it's just you and your hero. Do you guys want to hear Virat speak? Co-founder of ONE8, Virat, congratulations. Delhi, this is the city where it all started for you. Life, cricket, and now entrepreneurship. House. Can we let the man talk? Virat, please.
Guys, thank you. Look, Firstly, I really honestly want to thank all of you because I know how patiently you have waited, how excited you've been to come to the event, and how excited I am to come back to Delhi. As you all know, Delhi is the place where everything started for me. I was born in Delhi. My cricket journey started in Delhi. And Delhi will always remain a part of me. So, to be able to launch ONE8 in Delhi after so many years, a vision, a dream to come true like this, being the co-founder, is something that I always dreamt of. I wasn't sure it was going to turn into reality, but it's the love of all of you fans over so many years that's got us to this moment. So I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope the ONE8 flight goes further and further and further into the future.
What about that there? Hands in the air, everybody sing this show, let's go.
Guys, the event was very nice. एक चीज़ देखो, मेरे को जो पार्किंग मिली थी वो भी B18 पे मिली थी, 18 नंबर. So event was very nice. I really enjoyed it. Karan Aujla was fantastic. Virat as usual, so nice.